Hello, members, and welcome back to the channel. Ik wijs naar mijn noemen Viggy. Ik wijs naar zich maak videos, live videos. Mostly of Yiddish. If I'm about to do a hunting video, please consider. Please give my like. Ze gaat een lange, riesige weg. So, en zat me du fratig. Zijn we du op een fratig? This is our members only live. So welcome to the members. Ze meer als dat chilled, fratig. So give me een paar minuten. Sie öffnen de handige live. Weil sag mal, de system was sich nicht, spielt sich erin mit mir. En also wie ich sage jede Woche, so hat es ein Team mit der Vibe. Du bist in charge of deiner eigenen Vibe. So. Han gaat met zich halten ruhig mit der Traden. Ich will endigen mit der Green die Woche. So, I'm not gonna jump in. And by the way, man fühlt nicht the vibe. Is es auch nicht okay? Lass mal das da aufregen. Hold on. Sorry, ich habe das geht nur an members only. Nafsho is chasido Silai Yalatzani Silver $65. Steht a Weile bei $65. Tina boom bim bam boom Kochoi Gold $4,364. So gegeben ein kleiner Brief over 4,400. Nächten. Bitcoin 88,000. So gedippt ein bisschen zu 84,000. Mach eine neue Poldo. Tirinada biribu Mimnaya Melech Hashem The question is, should I keep it members only? Oder soll ich es öffnen für jeden, bei den comments soll es nur für members? That is the question. So maar ein Vote für No. Okay. Show yourself. What's it us? Verpasst der Trade. Ja, aber jetzt läuft er schon noch. Aber ich schuhe. Die Mäusche war Sie fühlt sich wie Mama, ich weiß, wo der nächste Wort ist. Oh, ja. 2 votes no? Oh, alright. Ich habe es all gegeben für members only. Zahlt mir bei 2 votes nein. Okay. We will listen to the members. Yamidonan Yedair alayem Okay, man wartet noch 2 Votes oder noch 1 Vote. Noch etwas changen. Du an yourself. Do we have another vote? Hallelujah, Baba yourself. Kayuni Kavi Yini Kuboy Loigani I miss my ledo Digga 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 die Nere nine lie 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 This would have been a perfect trade, and I missed it, which is okay. Okay, so sound. You can go game for members only. For the members. But in some do two members versuchen as sag mal noch votes. So the vote is as Should I keep this member only for the fratig? The answer is yes, no, oder kann man es machen public, but no members can text commenten. We need another vote. At the beginning of the channel, in the haste of sauce. Give a like the video. My. Some 3 votes, no. All right. The members has been voted out. All right. Let us make them public. You guys have won. If the members have spoken, that's what we're gonna do. But I'm gonna keep the mess. Okay. All right, you guys have spoken. Listen, I was getting for the members, but if the members want to change it, then I'll do what the members want. You know? Sam Bam Wham.
Hello and welcome.
Get near the Shabbos. Don't put it back on subscribe. Subscribe us next week. Listen, I want to do it. I want to do it for the members. You know, I want to show appreciation for the members. In Fratig is special. The members is what keeps the channel going. You know, Sam. So. But I hear you. I hear you. Sam hat schon gesagt, dass der Oilem rief sich und der Oilem sagt Folge. You know? Sam, check. It's a checkmate move. You have check it, automated. There's no benefit for members only on Friday. It's not nicht alles die ich for benefit. I want to do it for the members. For the actual members from their channel, you know? It's like a thank you. Sam, ein Wort aber gewiss, dass es dich, weil wegen der Pages, zum schon geredet wegen. Aber ich habe gewollt, als if other people say no, then, yeah. I hear you. Diejenigen hatten solche questions and answers, wenn man fragte. Einer sucht doch etwas. Du Maleachvayu. Wenn je jirtei besimayu. Du Maleachvayu. But Sam, as I get gunish for the members, why would somebody become a member? If you know what I'm saying. Dein Zafru veravshu lo heliku kabavadishu kom nafshu irikadish inema What's guy dot for YG, hello and welcome. Get native Shah, native weekend. Market is off. Boy, no bubble, I'm away on my own. You know, wenn man geht dadurch live, sag mal, wird man aufgeregt und man warft da weg Sachen. Darf man sich auslehnen, nicht da wegzuwerfen, alles, weil man hat nicht lieber etwas, ein kleines specific part. Aufgewachsen mit der Vibe. Check in. Look over the Hanukkah, everyone can join today. The members have gewotet as man soll es öffnen. So it's the members call YG. The members were like, open it up for the oilam. So I'm not gonna fight with my members, you know. Their wish is my Kamendaki. We're members because we want to members, not because of Friday Live. Ah, Sam, okay. Okay, Sam. I agree, Sam. I mean, after you said it, I agree. So Sam, Eshe darf auch aufkommen mit einer andere Idee for members only. Okay. We will storm together. Brooklyn. Get near the shot, get near the weekend. How you doing? Yeah, you feel. Just be you for members only? What do you mean? I am. Oh, okay, I see. Okay. If I'm not me, Sam, call me out. If I start changing the ways, if you know what I'm saying. Man weiß nicht, wie man ist. Wir sind ganz niedrig und low. Jeder will sein Heuer. Wie nennt man die Koje? Of course I did. Of course, I just need to find them. Yes. Chobash meets me at the HBS, and I just have to connect with him, with Yiddy. It would be a pleasure. Zijn we de hartslag? Zijn we de hartslag herankomen? Wir sind gekommen, zijn we in. Brooklyn. You guys make me smile and laugh sometimes. Come up. Ask HBS for his number. Okay. Mi pi Maria bobo so via painga sababa mai ni Yesu. Esther, unsere getreue, schöne Schwester. Get near of Shabbos, get near of weekend, how you doing? I'm a member who doesn't understand much, and I have a strong desire to improve my Yiddish. Friday of member only is not a factor. More people in the chat, the better. Esther, members' wishes is my command, you know? I'm like a screwdriver that can go from a Phillips to wie soll ich von der andere? Quick, somebody help me? Ich finde Plus zu der Minus. Jackie Mason pflegt suchen. Wie weiß man, jüdische Haus? Man sieht in der Screw, in du Cream Cheese. Be back in a minute. Esther, how you feeling? I'll be back. Brooklyn Villa. Brooklyn Villa, Brugge Fineste. Bless us all, Esther. Bless us all. Let me go, Babu, Shaykh. Let me go, Babu, Shaykh. And that's oh, Shaykh. Let me go, Shaykh. Let me go, Shaykh. When I need the rap is Masber. So gern Kräfte. Also ich bin aufgewachsen mit der Feeling, mit der Vibe. Just check it out. Asar di ma yerdi Richi ma yerdi Tira da da men avashi Da La shirena yin Vezamri la Shilin verachshir O Brooklyn to see through bullshit Dear law, we zamrillah Zamrillah Shilin verachshir Ya da di di da 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 Brooklyn, ich will modifieren in der Brüche. Nicht eibig so ist das. Meaning, wenn die stammt Chit-Chat in einer Bullshita, nicht important. Nur wenn sie macht achillig in dein Leben. You know, money, personal. Then, yes. But otherwise, it's a Sisach Ram, Sisach. Stam Riken Sachen, you know what I mean? Karto de Shifrayo Kartu, ay, 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 Kartu. This is the relief valve. Tigimal kubamehla malamayo ivanye veyirtai vesimayo ayo. So get the ending of a high note. What a song! What a song! Hat koye. Wollte gelaufen in die Gassen Schrien oje Shabbos heilige Shabbos Tiriraham Shedig noye Didi noye 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 da 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 Didi noye da Heilige Shabbat. No boyam shama bambos. Yo 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 yo. Wie viel wir reden finden, ist kein Mund nicht genug. Arbeiten auf the vibe. Heranbringen a vibe in Friday. Die Menschen meinen, man darf die ganze Sachen. No. It's mainly teen a bissel in consistency. Jede Woche. Dezelfde Sache. In the mala mit feelings, and mit vibe, it doesn't have to be true. It doesn't require it to be true, you know? You could just tap in there. Oh, das bringt zurück Memories. Mostly I just let Elias talk and keep it in mind. Viggy, any upcoming parties? Yeah. Today I have a party, a kleine misssuite. But more than that, no. Thursday night I had a misssuite, but that I didn't end up going at the end. I had a party, but I didn't, because I was busy with the live here, and then it got too late, and I missed going. So. Tinaram, oh yo 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 ya ya ya, tira ya 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 ya. Brooklyn, die schon gemacht dann Family Masse Geschäft, dann Family Party. You should have gone. Yeah, I could hear that, but Kogaha do the party, so it's not like I missed a party. Talk about sacrifice. Yeah. I'm a sacrificial lamb. I know lava bama ve yolamayo Imal kubabu meilech malchayo Viletem vesiramayo. Wir suchen auch, like, ganze Party ist nicht so gering von mir. You know? No, big ones Sunday night, tomorrow night. Nice. Tonight and tomorrow night. Nice. No, big ones Sunday. What's he geschehen, du Omenet? Kadiyishin. But nice at the Osta party. So family, be nice. The people that have family should know how lucky they are. I have to keep myself because I have to wait until. All right, Esther. You will get it in time, and you will have a prime time, you know? Definitely, Refi Shalom for unser getreue, scheine Schwester, set nos an der Beste. Zehner Zeigere du nus. The home sales. Meiste guys an abysmal. But Esther, you have something planned, I hope. Meaning, once you get it. Nice, Esther. When you read that, a smile goes up, you know? First, you're going to be clear in a week. One smile of it, 1 degree of a smile. Then don't worry. All right? Lots of family awaits me with kids and grandkids. That's a win-win for me. I mean, for you, technically. For us. Oy vey, de Vishnu Tzevei, V'yol Amayo, Malako V'vo Melech Malchayo, V'chim Avavayo, Vayo V'vo. I'm launching here next to you holding a little Viggy. No, Brooklyn. Viggy Jr., huh? Viggles the Junior Aki. If you go already, say twins. I would go with twins, but thank you. Lemonade and cute chats. So a green candle, he didn't even make it out of the hospital yet. So the Magait mid the trend, okay? Viggy Jr. Magait mid the trend. And he's like, I need a body. Leave me alone. Du weißt, du hast echt speakers, wo es man like darauf of the mama's belly, and man spielt music, like classical music, soft music. So ich hoben de alle charts. Such a redden fin tilt. Just kidding. I'm being funny about it. Shile yoy ma Shabbos, mizmor shiri. Shile yoy ma Shabbos, mizmor Morashiji. Shile yoim ha-Shabbos. Moire mize Morashiji. Shile yoim ha-Shabbos. Morashiji. Shile yoim ha-Shabbos. Shile yoim ha-Shabbos. Mama sehen, der 10 als eiger Candle geht an. Wild, ich project auf Arup. It doesn't mean anything. It's not factual, it's not financial advice. But oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, oh yo yo. What's your obsession with buying silver? No, it's not obsession. I'm just looking at the prices. I'm just looking at the prices, the price action, because I thought 65 is the top. No guy to see at least Arukim see 56, and it just keeps going up. So I just wonder why. Supposedly a China gekauft Silbert, I don't know. So and I also remember when silver was like $11. CG. Gitten Sie morgen, gitten Erev Shah, gitten Erev Weekend. How you doing, CG? Wir sind aber. There's no reason for being so high. I thought so the same thing. But as I get off to 80, I will keep selling more. If it goes down to for some reason will I say 35. But 35 kaufe ich zurück, you know? Copper, yes, but silver, no big, a big no. But it's going up. The EV cars nitzen silver. So, the more EV cars man macht, the more silver is needed as a newfound usage. Most of those blondes are died. Ah, damn it. Esther, I was having my hopes so high. He needs a woman. All right, I like this statement. Who appreciates him and shares his love. Being pretty doesn't hurt. It does hurt my friends, though. It's a joke. Yeah, Esther. We're looking for a blonde heart, if you know what I mean. Somebody that could be on my level and enjoy Shabbos music, if you know what I'm saying. Shouldn't be a steerer. Silber ist schon gegangen von $49 all the way down to 13 or 11. So, jetzt ist es 66. So I would say $30 is I'll buy back. Rivian. Toby the Dove. Hello and welcome. Get near the shop, get near the weekend, Toby. Rivian, I'll go jumping to $21. Somebody's gesehen about 15. Sangro, baby, sangro. What dabei? Yeah, jetzt lohnt sich es kaufen Silber. Because you're paying a lot of money for the actual silver. Und einer, was sogar da Lachter, was hat nicht lieb gehabt, kann das jetzt verkaufen. Somebody wants to sell a Lachter, let me know. There's a place where I can make a mission, as you know. You want to sell jewelry or the Zeiger? Let me know. There is a place where I usually go. Someone I trust. I trust. Toby the Dove, welcome. Bist du gewesen an Week? Bist du gewesen an Woche? Man gaat nicht gegen den Trend. Es gibt also die Hand in seiner Note today day. Somebody so long. Just a small reminder, if you guys are here and you don't mind liking the videos, you guys are lang weg. Yomi Moso Asher, Shamayim Yesuhore. Ayoy Mashvegi, Vayenocha. Vayinu Vofa. Good Shabbos, 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 good Shabbos. Caravana 472. The used market geht darauf. Und der Eulen Kenn ich bezahlen der Leases. Krass Kalo. Ich hab noch kein gehabt, kein Split. Gut nicht. Kick on the move. 377. Sie $3 a share. All the way circa auf die 472. Kijk, en du kann zero splits or anything. What a company. Phew. Laten we zien de network. $102 billion. Wow. The CEO of Caravana is worth $13 billion. 13.6 billion. Wow. What a move. What a move. What a company. Shmelech Viggy Melucha Kumi Teigi Mitoy Chafecho Elon Musk is worth $671 billion, brothers. Ladies and gentlemen, bekend Shabbos Mat. Mitoy Chafecho Sheyeyemesh Miyemekabocho Rablo Sheyeyemesh Miyemekabocho The duo of Polymarket. Will Elon Musk become a trillionaire before 27? Ich habe es gesehen bei 23 cents. Und jetzt ist es bei 46 cents. La 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 la, even I'm a motzi. La 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 la.
Yaminus mavai, tifroitzi, ve'es Hashem taritzi. Aval yadish be'martzi, al yadish
September 11th, 2025 is getting 89% as a guy with not the richest man in Kikun. $1 brengt dich zurück $125. Wenn es mecho, wenn ogilo, wenn es mecho.
Yadish ben Marti, al Yadish ben Marti, al Yadish ben Marti, al Yadish ben Marti.
Wenn es mecho, wenn ogilo. La 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 la.
Oy venismecho venagilo. Oy venismecho
Venogilo. Sind wir ending the live mit der in 10 Minuten drin. Ja, 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 ja. Jacob, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Hello and welcome. I appreciate YouTube sucht mir, also ich spiele andere Menschen Sachen, so I might cut off. Oh, no. Sally. Good morning, good night of Shabbos, good night of weekend. How you doing? How was the party? How are you? After this song, we're gonna be closing the live. It's gonna be on your own to make the vibe. Das ist eine Kasche. Mir im Zeichen Style, huh? Wer? Die sucht mir. Hello, it was awesome, BH. Nice, and somebody said days. Malo, oi be shalom, lamba vo yesod. Asitoy v'loy lo. Kava vol yemei chayenu. Doshot emet ufishtim. V'tahas b'chefet kapeyo. Oy, oy, oy. Ay, 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 Toby, have a lovely one. Thank you for even checking in a couple of minutes. Hope to see you next week. We will. No pressure though, Toby. Fly with the wind, okay, Toby? Stay safe, stay healthy and well. Moishi, thank you so much. Hello and welcome. Thank you for becoming a member today. I really do appreciate it. The channel appreciates it. Ben Yishai Salachi Koyen Nafshi Keveyulom Ben Yishai Di da 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 di da 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 di da da da. Moshe, bist du geworden ein Member?
Welcome to the other side.
Thank you and welcome. I was driving each other. This jede Woche fühlt man es. Some weeks fühlt man es 5%, some weeks 90%, some weeks gut nicht. But it all piles up at the end. Now wake up Monday morning. You were gesagt, Brooklyn, be careful what you wish for. You know what I'm saying? Because you're not saying which Monday. Deep breaths, Brooklyn, deep breaths. Yedid nefesh, Avur Achamon. Meshoich avdechu el retzoinechu. Yedid nefesh, Avur Achamon. Hast du gewatcht the movie Click It? Mit der Remote? Ay, 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 Yuritavdechu. Yuritavdechu, kimo, ya, yo. Sag mal, vergesst mal, was man hat. Oh, Monday, December 22nd. Okay. Yeah, en dat die, en mijn heertig zijn jou aus Brooklyn. Might well, zoek van die was heertig aus. That could make your wish come true. True Avenue. That you should have the patience. You can be up and have the patience and the geduld and the koyach bis Monday. Versus just sleeping. It's no jellies in cups, and or chemicals in cups. So just wait for the richtige chemicals to be released and you are fine. Yeah, Rabloy, yeah, di doy sechu v'noy fetzi. L'cha v'vala v'vam. You know what I'm saying? Have a Hanukkah, it's coming out. The nose. No, I get it. So you should, you should ask for patience and geduld. It shouldn't come out of your nose. Some people would die what you have, Brooklyn. I don't know what you have, but people would kill to have what you have. All right, Chevra. The Friday Live has come to an end. Thank you all for being here. I hope you guys had a awesome and amazing and geschmacka week. If not, Shabbos is coming. Your weekend is coming. So die kannst machen, wo die willst davon. Warf nicht raus the baby with the bathwater, as they say. Sachen, wo die hast lieb, tea. Sachen, wo die hast nicht lieb, tea nicht. You know what I'm saying? Don't bundle up everything in one thing. Wenn man jing, man warft da weg Sachen, dann sagt man, hat man nicht. Including myself, ich habe auch gehabt mistakes in my life, which if I would know, I wouldn't have done it. But can't cry on spilled milk. You just have to bend down and clean it up. You know what I'm saying? All right, Gevne. Hot's Aziz in lechtige weekend. Hot's Aziz in lechtige Shabbos. Whatever boats the float. And happy Hanukkah. Enjoy to your family. Enjoy everything. And we'll see you all next week. Peace and love, everybody. Until next time, stay kind to one another.